Thank you so much for staying with me thus far in my quantum analytics project presentation. Here is project 13, which is the last project where I analyzed the COVID-19 data for Nigeria using Power BI. In this data set, we have on average 217 active cases, on average 166 deaths, on average we have 13,000 recoveries. On average, there are over 14,000 confirmed cases, and on average, we have over 311 testing, that is those who are tested for COVID-19 symptoms. Looking at the top 10 states by deaths on average, aside the total value, we have Lagos topping the chart in this category. Also, Lagos shows to be the top state with the most active cases. Also, Lagos topped the chart when it comes to confirmed cases. Lagos also topped the chart, when it comes to the total number of individuals tested for COVID-19 symptoms. So in a nutshell, we can see what the data shows for Nigeria when it comes to COVID-19 pandemic. Now, for my slicers, I use all the states in the federation. So let me use Abia, for instance, and let's see what we are going to have. If I click on Abia, so we can see the statistics for Abia State. So in Abia State, we have 16 on average. Anyway, I'm using average here. On average, 16 active cases, 34 deaths, 2,000 recoveries, over 2,000 confirmed cases, and over 135,000 people tested. So this is for Abia State. And you can also see the corresponding statistics. You can see here average deaths 34, and just like that, active cases, average confirmed, and the total testing. So these are the corresponding statistics for Abia State. Let me click on Adamawa and see what we have. If I click on Adamawa State, we can see here on average, 131 active cases, on average 38 deaths, on average over 1,000 recoveries, on average over 1,000 confirmed cases, and over 51,000 individuals tested. So you can see the corresponding statistics for Adamawa State. Let me pick one more state for the slicers. Let me see. Let me pick Anambra or Bayelsa. Let me pick Bayelsa. So if I click on Bayelsa, you can see the corresponding statistics for Bayelsa states. You can see here negative active cases, average deaths 28, average recoveries over 1,000, average confirmed cases also over 1,000, over 49,000 people tested on average for COVID-19, and you can see all their corresponding cases. All right, so that brings me to the end of my quantum analytics presentation so far. So I have 13 projects, and these are all the recordings for all the 13 projects. So this is the last one. This is the 13th project. Make sure you follow up with all my previous recordings, and I'm sure you are going to gain one or two knowledge from all these presentations. I appreciate you staying with me. Thank you so much. Bye for now.